Hello everyone, I'll be taking on the 10-act Mono challenge. Special thanks to the Page 3 team and the director Praditya for bringing his creativity and vision to the camera. I'm Mona. I hope you enjoy the scene. I'll be taking breaks in the middle to do costume changes. Please bear with me, enjoy the show, and like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Thank you. First act would be an animal transformation. I will be doing a cat, a dog, and a monkey. Hope you enjoy. This one is for a dog. Next one will be of a little kitten. Meow, 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 meow. 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 That of a monkey with its little baby monkey. My second act is that of a newborn baby. My next act is that of an elderly woman. I'm 85 years old having a conversation with her grandson. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Three, two, one, go. राहुल राहुल है क्या? तुम नहीं, तुम्हारे शोर से पता चल जाता है कि तुम ही हो गए। मेरी कमर हट जानी है बेटा उठाते उठाते। माँ कैसी है?
ठीक है।
अच्छी है ना? हमारे जमाने में बैठने दो, इन खेतों में भागा करती थी मैं, तितलियां पकड़ते पकड़ते। आज चश्मा ढूंढते ढूंढते पूरे घर में भागा करती हूं मैं। अलग जमाना था, बहुत सिंपल थे हम। तुम्हारे दादाजी बैंगल्स लाया करते थे, भूखे नहीं, क्या समझे? हम आई लव यू नहीं बोला करते थे, साथ में अचार बनाया करते थे। अचार जाते टाइम पे दे दूंगी, थोड़ा ले जाना। इतनी शोर, इतनी तेज है ये दुनिया। इतना भी तेज नहीं भागते बेटा, कभी कभी रुक जाया करो। वो चांद है ना, चांद को देखा करो। और अपनी नानी को भी कॉल कर लिया करो, समझे? Thank you, that was my act. Hi, the first mimicry act I will be doing is Kareena Kapoor from Jab We Met. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. क्या बॉस, चक्कर क्या है? ड्रग शग्स लिए क्या? देखो, लाइफ में तुम्हारी ऐसी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो ना तो मुझे बता सकते हो, आई डोंट माइंड। बड़े सारे दोस्त मेरे मुझे प्रॉब्लम बताते और मैं सॉल्व कर देती हूँ। पता है, मैं वो टाइप की लड़की हूँ। एग्नी आंट्स आती है ना, मैगजीन्स में आर्टिकल्स आती हैं, वो टाइप की। प्रॉब्लम क्या है बताओ बताओ बताओ, शर्माओ नहीं।
तुम हो मेरी प्रॉब्लम। जब से आई हो बक 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 कर रही हो। जाओ यहाँ से, मुझे नहीं बात करनी है तुमसे। आई लीव मी अलोन, गो अवे।
Thank you. My next mimicry act will be that of Amitabh Bachchan from Diwar. I hope you enjoy the dialogue. Thank you. देखो देखो, ये वही तुम हो और ये वही मैं हूं। हम इसी फुटपाथ से साथ निकले थे और आज तुम कहाँ हो और मैं कहाँ हूं। आज मेरे पास बिल्डिंग है, बैंक बैलेंस है, गाड़ी है, सब कुछ है। क्या है तुम्हारे पास? Thank you. The third mimicry act is the king of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan. I hope you enjoy it. We love his work, and I'm trying to recreate his iconic dialogue, the Kiran one. Thank you. परसों से पागल हूँ, तुम ही मेरा जुनून हो और तुम ही मेरा पागलपन। I love you, Kiran. My third act would be a gender swap act. I'm playing a college dude coming in with a lot of swagger, hitting on a new admissions girl, and just creating a bit of a scene. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Eh, क्या चल रहा है बे? फैशन शो करने आया हो या कॉलेज में पढ़ने? लगता है हर कोई इस कॉलेज में इंस्टाग्राम रील बना रहा है। हटो है। अपना फंडा सिंपल है बॉस। सुबह को चाय, दोपहर में समोसा, शाम में जिम और रात में ड्रीम्स में कटरीना। ये वो न्यू एडमिशंस वाली है ना, ये मैथ से भी मुश्किल लगती है। टेंशन नहीं लेने का, अपन के पास फॉर्मूला है। हाय, आई एम राहुल। TDLJ वाला नहीं, BBA वाला, सेकेंड ईयर, फुल ईयर एटीट्यूड। क्या बोले? हेलो, हाँ मम्मी, खा लिया मम्मी पनीर, खा लिया मम्मी पनीर। अच्छा था मम्मी? हाँ पसंद आया मम्मी, पसंद आया। एक चीज सेट है बॉस, एग्जाम में टॉप करना है या लड़की को स्वैग फुल होना चाहिए अपने पास। स्वेर। क्या बोल रहा है भाई? माँ के हाथ की पनीर और नए एडमिशन्स की छोकरी, दोनों में असली मजा है बॉस। Thank you. That of a mad person, a person losing their mind on the streets of Bangalore. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. ए भाई साहब ये जवाब नहीं दे रहे। ए भाई साहब, ए छुट्टा मिलेगा भाई साहब, तुम कल था ना यहाँ पे। अरे इसको बोलो ना जवाब देने को, वो पूछ रहा है उधर। ए छुट्टा मिलेगा? मैं इधर करा जाऊं, तुम सब मेरे गुलाम हो। ए बोलो ना इसको, बोलो ना भैया, अरे बोलो ना इसको, छुट्टा नहीं दे रहा है ये।
मैम अपनी परेशान मत कीजिए, आगे
अरे हमें जाना है ना अभी, चलो चलते हैं, चलो साथ में चलते हैं।
आप जाइए।
अरे आना यार, बुला रहे तेरे को, वो सुन नहीं रहा है मेरी बात। ये दोस्त है मेरा, ये सच्ची में दोस्त है मेरा। अरे यार, अरे चलना यार, चलो अपन भी चलते, चलो। अरे चलो चलते हैं, अरे चलते हैं, इधर तुम भी आओ ना, ये चले, तू भी चल। The next act I'll be doing is that of a political speech. I'm playing an elected woman addressing a crowd of people that have just voted for her. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. I, Mona, daughter of this mitti, swear to serve the people, even those that did not vote for me, because I am a woman. I will bring roads where there is only dust. I will bring jobs where there's only tea stalls. To all the ammas out there, today your daughter didn't just win an election. This is an answer to every man that has said politics isn't for girls. Namaste. Thank you. The next challenge I'll be taking on will be a grief scene. I'm a sister mourning the death of another sister. It's a little touchy. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Dee, where did you go? You always said you'd leave late. You said I was a sensitive one. Then why did you go before me, huh? Why did you leave me alone? And all these people, they say you're in a better place. How are you in a better place if you've left me alone, huh? How are you in a better place? What about our trip to Australia? What about our trip to Australia, Dee? Who will tease me? Who will tease me about my chai addiction, huh? Who will tell me to do the things that I need to do? You said you'd always be there and you just left me alone. You know, Dee, I have your sweater. I have your sweater. And I wear it sometimes. I still wear it sometimes. It smells like your shampoo. It actually still smells like your shampoo. It's like you're still here, Dee. I talk to it. I actually talk to it and I pretend you're here. You come back. Just come back. Just come back one time. I'll do anything. Just please come back. Please, Dee, just please come back. Thank you. The next act would be that of a romantic one. It would be a little dance between a guy and a girl. It's coordinated to a very iconic song. I hope you recognize it and enjoy it. Thank you. The next act would be that of a romantic one. It would be a little dance between a guy and a girl. It's coordinated to a very iconic song. I hope you recognize it and enjoy it. Thank you.
My next act is going to be a romantic dance. It's a short dance and iconic song of Shah Rukh Khan. I hope you like it and recognize the song. Thank you.
For my last act of the Mono Challenge, I will be doing a revenge scene. I come in and I get really mad at my husband and things turn not so great. I hope you enjoy it. It's dramatic. Thank you. Babe, did you like her photo?
Whose photo?
Tell me if you liked her photo.
Whose photo?
I know who you're talking about.
What are you saying? Whose
What I was trying to say is, you know who I'm talking about, whatever. But like, she called me right now, my friends have been calling me, and you've been liking her photos. Just show me your phone. You have been liking it. Tell me you liked her photo. Whose photo? You should have thought of that before you liked her photo.
Have you gone mad? What are
Why
you doing?
is, you have no idea what else I can do. Look, watch, this is what you think? You can't go around liking girls' photos.
Whose photo?
You liked her photo and you don't even know who she is? This is worse than
Come on,
that.
can you explain
I will
whose
show you.
photo?
Also, why is there lipstick on the cup in my house? What do you think you're doing? You know what you deserve? Is this your favorite thing? I will destroy it. I will actually
Don't
destroy
do
it.
that.
No, I will actually do that.
You're pissing me off.
Why
Don't
did
do
you
that.
like her photo? Thank you to the audiences, Page 3 Institute, all of the people watching, and the team of Page 3, and Praditya sir for bringing an artistic vision to life. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Keep following my journey, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.